Hey, this is Papa from StreetFighterTradingSystem.com. Alright, so welcome for the second video of the series called
You lose. Perfect.
So today was kind of a lucky day, and I want to basically talk about two punish that actually didn't punish and where basically people that took the trade could have escaped, right? So it will happen. Sometimes you will not get punished, but most of the time you will get punished. So let's see what is the situation. Okay, so basically you see that again I'm on the 2000 tick chart. So all the mistakes that I will review in the future, I think will be on the 2000 because many people are using this one, and I want to make sure that people avoid doing mistakes. Okay, so we have a downtrend, a huge downtrend. Okay, so we have impulse retrace, impulse second retrace, impulse third retrace, impulse fourth retrace. Okay, so when the fourth retrace happen, so if I zoom a little bit, okay, what we have is that we have a Shoryu. Okay, we have a up, down, up. So first thing, as you know, we are very, very late in the trend. So we should not come late to the party. So you know, even though it's a super downtrend of the world, we should not try to look for short opportunities. Okay, but even though, let's say you wanted to try to look for short opportunities, you should at least have the Shoryu trade that respects some kind of stuff, right? And here, so one of the problem is that when you draw the short-term trend line, so it's this line, right? Again, same as the previous video, we can see that it's acting like resistance, so you should not short. Second, the price is way above EMA, so what you want is the price to touch EMA and to be below, a little bit below when you enter. That is not the case. But anyway, I'm sure that some people have taken this trade, so let's look at what happened to those people. So next candle, so they would have got filled, right? So that means people that are using this technique, usually they try to get 1 point scalp, okay? So they would have got filled, and as I say, they would have escaped. So lucky for them, it's a lucky day. Now, just after, there is another trade that come up. So I also want to talk about this trade because I'm pretty sure that some people also took it, okay? So today, again, I say it's a lucky day. So people have escaped everything. So this trade is basically after the two-legged pullback, the Shoryu trade, we had the Shoryu punish. Okay. So I know that some people would have tried to go into long over here, right? Because it's a punish and so on, right? But one thing that you need to understand is that we cannot take punish if the price, so it's always the same story. We need the trend with us, we need the candle with us, we need the EMA with us if we can, and so on, right? And here we don't have, first we don't have the trend. So if we want to go long, we have the 50 and the EMA, which are not in the right order. And most importantly, we can see that the 50 EMA is acting as resistance. SMA is acting as resistance, right? So you really don't want to take this type of trade. Okay, this is forbidden by the law of Street Fighter. If you want to enter the tournament, don't ever take a candle that is in between the 21 and the 50 SMA. Okay, so of course, what happened is that people would have got trigger and they got lucky. Right, this time the trade shoot up, right? So it's a lucky day. Anyway, I also wanted to talk in this series about a trade for people who were patient, right, and are following the rules. There was a perfect setup that I want to show you right after, right? So what happened right after is that we have like show you punish, and at the same time we have Shoryu, right? So if we have a Shoryu punish and at the same time a Shoryu, and we have a good candlestick and it's nothing is acting as resistance, We have the SMA and the EMA above us. So I call this trade the Pikachu. So when you see this, basically it's one of the best trades you can ever get because it combines both of the Shoryu and Shoryu Punish at the same time, right? So let's see what would have happened if you would have taken it. So as you see, the price would have really went down, and here I think that you caught one of the best runner of the day. So I haven't checked because the day is not yet finished, but you can see that the number of points in which it goes down is crazy. Okay, so as I said, it was a lucky day for people, but have in mind that you should never take trade when you have the opposing short-term trend lines. If you are late to the party, if the candlestick is not even in between the EMA, is not good, and same for Shoryu Punish. So don't take trades where basically you have your price that is in between the 50 SMA and the 21 EMA. Alright, that's it for this video. See you on the next one.